All of you, welcome you guys, welcome you all. How you are doing everybody? कैसे हो सभी लोग? I think we are live. Yeah, first of all, do comment करके बोलिए now is my audio videos clear to everybody? Do comment करके बोलिए now is audio videos clear to everybody? Is it fine to all of you? First of all, you can see now here a great host to the aspirants who are seriously preparing for 2026 का गेट का तैयारी करने वाले को बहुत बहुत बढ़िया ऑफर है आपको. So now this an academy subscription that is just 8,499 rupees only. इसके साथ you will get 6 months plus one month additional benefit भी आपको मिलेगा. And you can see now here iconic is 11,499 rupees only. And so this offer going to end tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day to avail these opportunities. And so you can use the code of BV Reddy and to avail this great opportunity and to have a great learning experience from the top educators team. Okay. So we have free live class festival, which is a great opportunity to explore the academy platform from the 18th to 16th to 18th. With this, you will get to know live chat interaction with the top educators. You can interact with the polls and then get all your doubts are cleared from the top educators team. Don't wait, utilize this opportunity. With this, you can able to explore how the Unacademy platform is. You can check. After that, you can choose whether you need to subscribe for Unacademy or not. Now, GATE scholarship test, with the chance to get up to 90% of scholarship. The exam is on 29th July. Two sessions are there, 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. According to your convenience, you can utilize it. And we're starting a new batches. We are starting, you can have a look at now. 26 June onwards, नया batch शुरू हो गया. And analog electronics as well as signals and systems is started. And you can find the top indicators in the single frame में आपको मिलेगा. And so this is 2028 का batch भी शुरू हो गया. And these are the GATE 2026 rankers from an academy. So you can find these many rank, all these rankers are from cable EC electrical से आया. You can see now here, these many rankers are there. So here we are not talking the rankers are shouting like anything, how the Unacademy platform is helping the students to achieve their dream goals. Utilize the opportunities. Now, Unacademy ESG 2025 ka rankers, you can have a look at. Now, see this thing here, ESG 2025 ka rankers. Now, we do offer two subscription. One is a plus subscription, the other one is iconic. सो प्लस में आपको क्या चीज मिलेगा द टॉप एडिकेटर्स क्लासेस मिलेगा लाइव डाउट्स होगा अवेलेबल सीरीज स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस लाइव टेस्ट अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस आइकॉनिक में एडिशनली पर्सनल कोच मिलेगा फिजिकल नोट्स भी आपको मिलेगा राइट mentorship program so you can start your serious preparation with an academy to achieve your dream goals we are there to provide you the best knowledge to all the students चलिए आज का सेशन हम शुरू करेगा इन दिस सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस ऑन द boolean algebra and thereafter we'll discuss about the logic gates and a map number system and I have selected from each topic top 50 questions are selected. So let's see this thing here. First one. A switching function f of a, b, c, d they given as like this. This can be also written as how this function can be written they are asking. How this function we can express now. They given the expression they ask him to express this one. How we can write this given expression in SOP form min terms. Let us find the min terms of this expression and we'll proceed it. Find the min terms of the expressions and we'll calculate them and we'll see this thing. चलिए, we'll do that one. Let's find the min terms of this expression. So you can see now this expression, which will be a, right? We have this is given 0 and this is 0, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 1. So that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So you can tell me the what are the min terms here? From this, you can tell me now min terms here. So that is f of a comma b comma c comma d and which is equal to what we have tell me now min terms are we have 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11. So from this what we can say is option now here option B. Right. It's clean. Now you tell me now here how it is now. I add the lighting. Fine now. And now lighting. Still not good. Is it fine now? Switch on this thing. Fine. We'll try to manage with this thing. The next class we'll do some other alternative plan. Chalo, next one. Yes, the switching function f of a, b, c, d can be written as the given minterms now. They asking to express the given function in SOP form. Yeah, tell me now what are the minterms they given? F of a, b, c, d, and which will be given as 5. How we can write the 5? A bar b, c bar d plus, we can write 9 now here, that is a, b bar, c bar, d. 11 a, b bar, c, d. This value 10, 11. Okay, so 14 a, b, c, d bar. So you can see the option. Which can be the option? Yes, first option now. Right. And the next one, the switching function can be also be written as the given, what they given here, max term form given, POS form will come, the max terms will come. It's easy. How to join an academy? So here you can, so you just need to apply in career. You can check the career column, apply from career, you can apply. You can check in the academic career, you apply from there. Now see the max terms are here. This is given as max terms given as, so this value 0, this is 1 and 0. 1, 1, this is 0. 0, 1, 1. So you can see this thing f of a comma b comma c, which is given as, the given max terms are given now. How much now? Max term which is equal to 2 given, and this value 6 given and 3 given. So, so AIR1, so then they won't see here the first thing is, and they will see you should be belongs to first thing is whether you have completed the MTech from MTech or BTech from IIT, they will consider those things first thing. And thereafter they will see the your teaching skills. Your MTech or BTech from IITs. You should be called, you should be a IES officer, ESC officer. Then only first thing they will consider this thing. Thereafter they will see the your teaching skills and all. Right. Yeah, so then fine. NIT also considered. The NIT also they will consider. NIT also consider. So then you can apply from the you can check the career portal, you can try. So zero is there. Zero is a min term. You can say one min term, two, three, three is there, four, five, and seven. Then so here maybe we can't say that in that case. So here minimum they will see this as a first IIT, NIT. So they will see first these two things. Mm. The other canonical form, and that means they given min terms are given, so we need to find the max terms. We need to see max terms form. How we can say now here? So here 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. These are the max terms. So what's the option you can see now? 2, 3, 4, 6. Anyway, you can try. So you have a good rank now. So then you can try. You can try. Next one. So here, if a three variables switching function is expressed as a product of max terms by this function, then it can also be expressed as the given max terms are given. They asking in terms of POS form, SOP form. That means min terms we need f of a comma b comma c, which will be equal to what? Tell me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7. So option C. Next, the dual of the Boolean theorem, which is given as they given x into y plus z, which is given as what? Tell me now. Xy plus xz. So you can see now here dual of this thing x plus yz, which is equal to x plus y into x plus z. Mm. Option is what? Tell me now. Option C. Next one. Given Boolean theorem, which are the following is true? So dual, we need to do it now here. So this is, yes, dual is what? Tell me now. AB plus A bar C plus BC, which is equal to AB plus A bar C. What is the dual of this equation? You can see. So this is A plus B into A bar plus C into B plus C, which is equal to A plus B into A bar plus C. So you can see the option now. First option. Hmm. Yes, they given the expression. What they given now? A bar plus B bar plus C bar का whole bar. Complement of this thing we can apply De Morgan's law. Whole bar na. So which will be equal to what? Tell me now. A B C. De Morgan's law. Next one. see this thing. This is equivalent to. This is a consist theorem, no? So this is reasoning, and he is here. Who is reasoning? You tell me now. Here, who is reasoning? Now, E is reasoning, right? So that means E is required. So the minimized form is what we can say now: AB plus A bar C. BC is a redundant term. Now the number of minterms after minimizing the given Boolean function is. So what will be the number of minterms they ask him to find now? So if I call this is now Y, which is given as D bar plus AB bar plus A bar C plus A C bar D plus A bar C bar D. Now you tell me now what should be now here. We'll try to minimize them here. So you can tell me now what we can do here. Hmm. First, if I combine these two here, tell me now what I will get. So we'll commit as D bar plus AB bar plus A bar C plus here C bar D we have taken common, then it is A plus A bar. A plus A bar which is equal to 1. So we'll commit as D bar plus AB bar plus A bar C plus whatever C bar D bar का whole bar. Now in these two we can apply distribution property, that is mingle property. So y will come to be a B bar plus A bar C plus what tell me now? So D bar plus C bar into D bar plus D ka whole bar. So what will happen from this y? D plus D bar is 1. So we'll commit as AB bar plus. So that is A bar C plus what will be now C bar plus D bar ka whole bar. In these two we can apply again mingle property. So that is A B bar plus, then we'll commit as A bar plus C bar plus D bar whole bar. In these two mingle property, that is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole bar, which will be equal to what will be now A B C D ka whole bar. That is finally it will come to be what will be now A B C D. This is the expression. So that means how many minterms are there? We have only one minterm now. Finally, we have how many minterms are there? We have only one minterm. The number of minterms are how many we can see now? Only one minterm. Minterm number 15. Next, the simplified SOP form of the expression is. Yeah, you can tell me now this expression y, which is given as P plus Q bar plus R bar into P plus Q bar plus R into P plus Q plus R bar. And you can see now we have taken this whole thing is a 1 and this is a 2. This is 3 and this is 4. We are applying for T1. T1 is equal to what? Tell me now. 1, 3, 2, 4. T1 steps remembered now. 1, 3, 2, 4. Then what will come here? P1. Then y, which will be equal to P plus Q bar plus 0 into P plus Q plus R bar. So here again we can do mingle property. Multiply now here. So this is 1. So this is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Which will be equal to P plus Q bar into Q plus R bar, which is equal to P plus, so this is Q bar R bar. So what's the option you can see now? Option B. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it for today's class, and next class we'll plan properly. See you. Bye-bye.